Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the silent mode on your iPhone 15 Pro Max or the iPhone 15. So let's get started. Now, in order to do this, there's two different ways you can do it. Right top here now is this action button, which by default will allow you to put your phone on and off the silent button by pressing and holding. So before it used to be a toggle, now it's just a button. You press and hold, and then it will go ahead and put your phone on silent mode, which you'll see by this icon right here, a bell icon with the line through it. And then if you press and hold again, that side button, it will be basically turn off the silent mode, and that bell icon is gone. Now, another way you can do it is by going into your settings. You can go there and then scroll to sounds and haptics, and right here also gives you the option to turn on the silent mode or turn off the silent mode, just like that. So that's how you do it. Now if you like to ensure that that action button is actually turning it off, sometimes if you're using it for another option, right, like this, it will not work. So you want to make sure that action button is on the silent mode if you want to use that action button to turn on and off the silent mode. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.